I'm going to show you real quick how to clean out your really disgusting diffuser. This one is one that I use in my kiddos' room at night. So I'm stopped and I'm rushed and I'm trying to just get something going to keep their cleared out so they can breathe nicely through the night. And I mostly just like refill it and use a mix that I have blended of a couple different things. And I go like, I think it's probably been at least like 3 months for sure since I've cleaned this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's we're going to take a little bit of vinegar and fill it up to the water line, which thankfully this stuff is like super cheap, right? And then we're just going to put like 4 drops of the lemon essential oil in it. We're going to let it go for like 30 minutes or so diffusing, which actually doesn't smell all that bad, honestly. And then after that, I'll show you guys how to use the little brush and get some. Okay, our diffuser timer for 30 seconds went off, so now we're going to stop it and show you guys what to do with the rest of this. So we're going to tap the off button and take off the top. This is the part that this guy likes to help with. So he's going to dip it into, wow, you can already see like there's a really big difference. That was like super easy. But he's going to dip his little cleaner brush into the water, and then even the parts that are on the outside that don't come up, like I wish I could show you guys how hard it is to get this stuff off. Like I rubbed it with the washcloth and it doesn't come off. But you guys are going to see that with the lemon and vinegar, it's going to start coming off. We're also going to do a little bit inside the little cracks and crevices, and we'll show you guys in just a minute what that ends up coming out like. So we painted with our vinegar and lemon essential oil mixture, and now we have, you can see as we dumped out the vinegar, we're just using some of the last little vestiges of it to get the really dark yucky spots in there. And then we're going to take a paper towel and wipe out some of the edges. This part, I think we can definitely notice a huge improvement, right? Which wasn't coming off with the other stuff before, but the vinegar and lemon essential oil is really loosening up all the junk. So it's looking really pretty. Even the backside is looking really good. He's been a big helper, helping mommy. So keeping those diffusers clean. Right, have a good day, guys. Hope this is useful for you too. Bye.